long as it's sealed off, we're fine.
Listen, there's a bunch of metal frags to be used downstairs.
Hello, I'm dropping.
Use the metal frags. Keep going, please. This is your time to get records up right now.
They're full gear inside, by the way.
Me and Lynx are looking up at this tower. We can see everything.
There's loot in there.
Blow. No.
Just
Don't worry
blow.
about it now. Just keep going.
Fucking blow. Rocket it right away. Get it out of the way.
Rocket it.
Rocket it right now. Go.
Rocket it.
Just keep blowing.
Yeah, just keep blowing. The rockets will blow the beds.
Come on.
Oh wow.
Play smart. Just keep fucking blowing.
Blow right on the beds, Franz. Right under the bed. You see that bed bullet? There.
Yeah.
Right in the center.
One more.
Double armored door.
Did the turret break? Watch out.
I got it. Rocket the door.
Bring me one in a building plan, please. If you don't mind.
Okay.
Watch out, Gange.
Heather's crying to me on Steam right now. Keep going, please.
Yo, someone show this box. Hatch this box.
Shanks, blow that door. Let's blow this door. Blow this door.
I'm gonna go down a little bit because my AK
my turn, Tranks.
Door split, don't shoot.
Your turn.
Rizzy,
What up, brother?
toss me your building plan.
Here.
I'm on the catwalk.
Okay, I'm coming up top.
Oh,
Get rid of the bags. ASAP,
Alright,
please.
let's blow this corner.
Just blow the bags. You
Blow
can
this
the
corner.
bags.
Blow in there.
Go. Kill the beds. Let's go. Keep going. Are you done or no?
This is the main loot here. Main loot.
So blow them all now.
I need people over here. I need people at that other entrance. Come into the breach. Take a left. Right here. Post on this. Right here. Watch that.
Oh shit.
We're good. They can't push up here. Itchy's watching that.
Back up, Trans. Back up.
Guys behind us on the rocks.
M2.
I'm M2 as well.
That's Matt. I need Matt.
Where are you?
We're gonna blow, by the way. But blow them all first.
One guy in all black on top of the furnace.
Right there.
Splash walls, guys.
Just keep going right now. Keep going. Just follow that bitch.
Guys, look into the fucking base. They're in there. Go into the middle.
There.
It's falling, boys!
Nice kill.
Two people above. Watch up.
Yeah, to the right. Yeah, to the right of it.
Guys! Yo, Tony, he's
I killed him up there.
Still up there. Right above you guys. On the doorway.
Blow the door, Trans. We're losing the bridge.
Boost me up there. We need to get in there.
Banana, give me your AK. Give me your AK. I'm blowing debris. So much shit behind that wall. I'm coming to fight it.
I'm blowing this hatch. The hatch is gone.
Team base. Who's in the base right now? Okay, coming up naked.
We blew the fucking breach again. Let's go.
I got killed from the fucking.
Oh shit, red shirt, not us.
I killed him. Above you. Guy in green above you.
Back up. How much left? Going for my gear. Oh, you got it? Hell yeah.
There's turrets. Oh, there's a fuck ton. There's a fuck ton of turrets in here.
I was just blowing, not even worried about loot, dude.
Give me a rocket launcher. Okay.
I killed Pratt.
Here. Two more turrets, Vince. This is better. They have everything.
Somebody. Watch out! Up top. He's up top. Turret area. He's peeking. Turret area. Guys, re-gear and go kill them. We need to go now. Re-gear in the base. Watch the flank tower.
Get their beds inside.
Yo, here's the raid base right now.
Who's tortured in the breach?
Well, there's a DC.
Is this the real lakes?
Every single time that I killed them.
I need ammo up here. There's guys in here. There's a guy in this one. Right here.
I'm running back a full inventory of guns right now. That means it's my wall.
Just hit it.
Then hit it. Hit the armor.
I got it. It's all their gear set. Let's go. Listen, I have an inventory full of gun ammunition.